Yes, happy morning to all of you. Again, get ready to enjoy the aloo ka paratha. It means the arithmetic progression. In my previous lecture, I have given you so many questions about the arithmetic progression. Now let me continue again some questions of arithmetic progression. Okay, I hope that everything is clear to you now. Let us see. Next question is question number 5. D is equal to 5, S9 is equal to 75. Find A and A9. Find A and A9. This is the question. What is the question? D is equal to 5 and S9. It means the sum of 9 terms is given to you. Sum of 9 terms means S9 is equal to n by 2. N by 2 means n is 9. So you can write 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So you will write here S9 is 75. It means 75 is equal to 9 by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1. 9 minus 1 into d is 5. So you can write 75 into 2, take 9 in the denominator, is equal to 2a plus 9 minus 1 means 8. 8 into 5. So 3 is a 9, 25. Okay. Now it will be find A and A9. Just you write here, find A and A9. This you have to find. Now 25 by 3 25 by 3 into these two is equal to 2a plus 5 is the 40. Now 50 upon 3 is equal to 2a plus 40. So 50 upon 3 minus 40 is equal to 2a. LCM. Take the LCM. LCM is 3. 3 divides 3, 1. 1 into 50. 50 minus 1 divides 3, 3. 3 into 20 is equal to 2a. 50 minus 120 means 70 upon 3 is equal to 2 into a. Now you have to find the value of a. So a is equal to 70 upon 2 into 3, 2, 35. So a is equal to 35 by 3. A is 35 upon 3. Now what you have to find? A9. Now but listen carefully. This is 50 minus 120 and the sign is 50 minus 120. So it will be minus. So it will be minus. So it will be minus. Because 50 minus 120, the sign of the bigger number. So minus 70 upon 3 is equal to 2a. So a is equal to minus 35 by 3. Now you have to find a9. So a9 is equal to a plus 8 into d. You can apply the formula. A9 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. n is 9. So 9 minus 1 into d. It means a plus 8d. So a is how much? Minus 35 by 3. Okay. And tell me what is d? D what you got? 35 plus 8 into d is given to you. Just tell me. D is 5 given to you. So 8 into 5 you can write. It means minus 35 upon 3 plus 8 5 is 40 upon 1. LCM is 3. 3 1 is 3. 1 into this minus 35 plus 1 divide 3. 3 into 14. 120. So it means 85 upon 3. So A9 is equal to 85 upon 3. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. So A9 is equal to 85 by 3. Okay, now I will take the next question. Question number 7 I am taking. A is equal to 8. A is equal to 62. Sn is 210. Find N and D. Find N and D. This is the question. N is equal to 62. N is equal to 62, it means last term is given to you. So N, A plus N minus 1 into D, and N is 62. So 62 is equal to A is 8 plus N minus 1 into D. So 62 minus 8, it means 54 is equal to N minus 1 into D. Just you write like this. 54 is equal to N minus 1 into D. Now here, sum is 210. It means Sn is equal to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D. And Sn is 210. So 210 is equal to N by 2 into bracket. 2A, A is 8. So 2 into 8, 16. Because A is 8 given to you. So 8 to the 16. Plus N minus 1 into D. And you have already got the value of N minus 1 into D is 54. So in place of this you can put 54. So 210 into 2 is equal to N into bracket 70. So 210 into 2 upon 70 is equal to N. It means N is equal to 6. N is equal to 6. Okay. Now tell me what you have to find. A and A9. I think what is A, N is equal to 6, and D you have to find. D. How to find the D now? N is equal to 6, and here you can put here. So I think this is clear to you. N is 6, so 54 is equal to N minus 1 into D, and N is 6, so 54 is equal to 6 minus 1 into D. I hope this is clear to you. N is equal to 6 you got here. 54 is equal to N minus 1 into D, and N is 6. So 6 minus 1 into D. So 54 5 into D. So 54 upon 5 is equal to D. Okay. Now D is 54 upon 5. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.